What is data science? Data science is nothing but a combination of these four fields basically. So Python, R, statistics and machine learning. On top of that, what comes is an implementation of all these fields, right? So in this video, I am going to talk about just 5 of the books. Out of that 5 also, one is optional. Just 5 of the books using which you can build your data science learning from the scratch. Welcome to Unfold Data Science. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. Many of you had been asking me about the various books available in the market. So I have taken care of requests from all of you and I have ensured that the free PDF version of all these books should be available. I'll also give you the link for the books on Amazon towards end of this video. You can go ahead and purchase those books, as I personally like to read from the book, not from the PDF. Okay. So moving ahead, I'll talk all these topics one by one and say, out of every book available on the internet and in the market, which is the one book that you should pick, and I'll talk about 2 reasons why you should pick that book. Let's not spend any more time on introduction and quickly go to the first book. Okay, so the first book I'm talking about here is Business Statistics by Ken Block. Now this book, guys, is for you. Just 2 points you have to keep in mind. If you feel you need to learn statistics from basics, and if you want to relate statistical concepts with real world application. Now let me show you the PDF version of this book. As you can see here, Business Statistics by Ken Block. Okay, now let me take you to the content of the book directly. So if I'm scrolling it down, as you can see here, in unit 1 it talks about introduction to stats, charts and graphs, descriptive statistics, so everything from basics, right? Probability. Then it talks about distribution and sampling, inferences, regression analysis and forecasting, and then some non-parametric test. So all the things that we need: analysis of variance, means ANOVA, population, sampling, hypothesis testing, time series forecasting, regression analysis, all these things are so nicely presented in this book that there is no comparison of this book. This is my recommendation to everyone who is starting in the stats from the scratch. Let's say you have forgotten what you studied in school and you want to start from the scratch, then this book is there for you. So the name of the book is Business Statistics. This is the 6th edition by Ken Block. This is on the statistics side. Okay, let's go to the second book. The second book I am talking about is known as Elements of Statistical Learning. This is again a very nice book, and there is one more variant of this book called as Introduction to Statistical Learning, ISLR. But this book that you see right now on the screen is for you if you want to get nitty-gritty details of machine learning. What is the meaning of that? So I want to understand how random forest works internally. I want to understand what is lasso regression, what is ridge regression. I want to understand what happens when the multicollinearity exists in a regression case. What happens when we do a stepwise regression? If you want to understand the internal mathematics of all those things, then this book is there for you. If you want to understand all the detail about your model, then this book is there for you. Let me show you some of the content of this book. So this is the PDF of this book. As you can see, Elements of Statistical Learning, Data Mining, Inference and Prediction. This book will also have some of the examples in R, which will be very useful for you. What is the content? Introduction, overview of supervised learning, linear methods for regression, linear methods for classification. So these 2 chapters only, guys, I have read the book like 2-3 times. I am telling you, these 2 chapters, regression and classification, will give you so much confidence that you will not feel that you don't know things when you go to an interview. You can interview people on regression and classification if you read this book, these 2 chapters. And all these chapters, regularization, smoothing methods, model assessment, validation, inference, tree based methods, boosting, bagging, all those things are so nicely explained in this book that this is not comparable to any other book, I would say. So my recommendation to all of you who wants to understand the mathematics inside a machine learning model. These were about statistics and mathematics. Let's move to the coding books. Okay, what is the coding book? The first coding book I want to recommend, I'm taking an assumption that you are starting from scratch here again. Okay, So Python Data Science Handbook by Jack Vander Plas. Now this book also I figured out after researching a lot on internet. If you have not been exposed to Python yet, or let's say if you have not done programming yet, then this book is there for you. If you are looking to use Python in data science, which most of us are doing now, then this book is there for you. Let us see some of the content of this book. As you can see, Python Data Science Handbook, right? In this book, let us see some of the content. So where from it's starting, see, shell or notebook. So whether you should code in Python shell or notebook, starting from very basic, right? Documentation, keyword shortcuts. It will start from this much basic, then NumPy, it will talk one complete module in one complete chapter. Pandas, one chapter for one, complete module, everything about pandas, working with pivot tables, working with aggregation, grouping, right? Visualization. So some of us struggle with visualization or good plottings, those kind of things. It will talk about those things. Then comes the concept of machine learning. It will relate machine learning with Python. Many good things are there in this book. So if you refer this book, this is the first book you should start with in your journey of data science with Python. So again, a must to go recommendation for Python, this book. Okay, so what is the name? Python Data Science Handbook. Let us see the next book. The next book is known as R for Data Science, and the author is Garriott Grolimund. If you want to start R from the basic, again R is new for you, and if you want someone should hold your hand and teach you R, guys, there is no comparison of this book. Let us see this book. I am opening a website here, R for DS, R for Data Science. Okay, if you can see the content here, introduction, data visualization, workflow basic, data transformations, right? What is not there from the starting, from the very beginning? If you see data import, some of the packages, string, factors, pipes, model building, model tuning, many models, markdown, right? So everything that you need in R starting from basic is a part of this book. So this book is highly recommended for you if you want to learn R for data science starting from scratch again. So all the books I have considered here, I have kept in mind somebody who is starting from step 0. Okay, so we discussed about 4 books till now, guys. 2 about statistics and mathematics and 2 about programming. Now comes the master book. Okay, the book which I am going to talk right now is the one book that should be in your shelf if you are a data scientist or if you want to become a data scientist. I recommend do not have a PDF of this book, rather have a hard copy of this book. I have a hard copy of this book. I am about to buy the second edition of this book. This book, there is no comparison of this book, guys. Hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn and TensorFlow by Aurélien Guéron. This book I had recommended in my previous video also, where I told how to study data science. Now why I am insisting so much on this book is, this book is so nicely written that I cannot explain you how much it will help you if you go through this book. Okay, let me take you through the content of this book one by one. Okay, see where from it is starting. What is machine learning? Now you learned from the first 4 books, you learned how to code and the mathematics behind model and statistical concepts. This book will help you to implement all those concepts. Okay, so fundamentals of machine learning, how to implement those concepts in Python, learn about what is poor quality data, learn about what is insufficient quantity of training data, right? These are very important concepts from machine learning point of view. End-to-end machine learning project. Okay, so in the second chapter it will tell you how to do end-to-end machine learning project. I have read this book and I am telling you, if you read this book right, you are going to gain lot of confidence in your data science knowledge starting from the basic again. Okay, and then various things, discover and visualization, prepare the data, how to train a model, how to fine tune your model, what is grid search, randomized search. Then comes one use case, one machine learning problem, classification use case, what is training model, about SVM, everything about SVM, right? Then comes everything about decision tree, everything about ensembling. So when I say everything about ensembling, it's about how ensembling works, what is the fundamental concept, how things are working, not in that much detail which was there in this book, Elements of Statistical Learning, not in that much detail, but it will tell you the practical implementation of how to do things in Python, right? So how to do dimensionality reduction in Python, how to connect it with various statistical concepts. Then in the new edition we have neural network and deep learning. TensorFlow 2 has been upgraded in the new edition. So everything about ADA, GRAD, RMS prop, all the important concepts that you need, CNN, RN, reinforcement learning also has been added in the new edition. Everything that you need to build your data science journey from the scratch to a level where you can go and really crack the interview, this book is the answer, guys. This is one book out of the 5 books that you cannot miss. This is one book out of the 5 books that you should not wait to buy. Just go ahead and buy this book. I am giving you the free PDF link for all these 5 books, and I am also giving you the Amazon links for the hard copies if you want to buy. So we saw the 5 books. Out of these 5 books, you can skip one book out of Python and R. So let's say you want to work in R first, then you can skip Python. You want to work with Python, then you can skip R. But rest of the books are extremely important, and this implementation book that I spoke in the end, right? Aurélien Guérin hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn and TensorFlow. This is one book. If you kind of watching my videos for some time, and if you believe on me, just read this book once and let me know how do you feel. Okay, so this was my idea of giving you, since this question was coming in many of my live sessions and many of people are asking through comments as well. So I hope this video will help all of you. I'll see you all in the next video with another interesting topic. Till then, all of you stay safe and take care. Thank you.